welcome back. So we're gonna hear an episode of Realistic Craft. So I kind of played this. So I build a house. Oh my gosh, where am I? Oh, there's my home. Okay, here it is. This is my home actually. This is my home. And there's no creative. So we're gonna use this. You can use this from night. What? So we're gonna sleep in noon. Okay. I'm gonna. So let's explore some different islands. I'm actually sick today. So there it is. That's our ship. Now we travel. Let's go to the abandoned mine. I've been here before. It's not actually that realistic, but it does call realistic craft. Well, let's get some wood. I cannot even cook a stove because I don't know how to cook a stove.
Janet.
Oh. Now let's go. No. Not there.
Janet. Teka, gawin natin to.
Nandun daw ikaw. Meron na pang gagawin niya.
Goodbye.
Place that here.
Mami, dati yung nag-birthday ako doon sa...
Well, how do I get it? But I cannot smelt it.
Pang more, get
Halika dito.
all
And
more.
if you like it,
Lagi na lang
it's
yung
super
birthday
slow to
ko.
get out of water.
Longer. Kaya, every time ko nag-birthday ako doon sa school, lagi, change yung color ng bag.
Like, ikaw ba nang hahand? Kasi dati yung birthday ko at
May own secret.
yung andun na ako doon sa school, ganon sinabi ng teacher, kainin na daw yung marenda na lang doon sa loot bag na lang kainin.
Huwag mo gupitin, baka masiyo.
Ganun din sa akin. Sabi daw ni mama, okay lang pang loot bag lang. Kasi daw kahit yung Jollibee mo doon.
So let's go to our island. Oh my god!
Tatayuin mo dyan.
Mami, pang there too much kids doon. Pang lahat kami, kung madaming kids.
Now I don't need this, so
Pang lahat kami. Tapos lang
so So if we actually we need to like click that punch button.
Okay, mami, lagi daw sabi ni teacher, dapat lagi ko na lang una yung mga first.
First row.
Eh, pero ngayon, gusto kong iba. Kasi yung habang doon sa kinder, yung una ko muna sa patient.
Pila mo. Pila mo.
To divided pieces. Okay, mami. Ito yung side ko eh. Iyan yung side. Got it?
Got it.
Got it? Oh, you don't got it. Mommy got it.
Okay, now let's like build a parkour. So like
Mami, di ba, meron ka lang dalawang kamay, tapos it will take forever. Eh, pag more pa ikaw extra hand, mas faster. Pag more, may extra hand. Kaya, may
so like
agad ikaw. More the hand, more fast. Ah, mami, bukas, di ba? Ngayon, 11. Tapos bukas, 12.
Yes.
Kaya dalawa na lang yung tulog. Ang birthday ko na. Tapos bukas, 13. Kaya isa na lang yung tulog. Kaya pagkatapos ng 14, birthday ko na.
Yes.
Happy birthday na lang ako sa school.
Ilangin mo. Ilan yan?
Okay.
Count mo.
Una ko muna ito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
dami.
7, 8. Wait, no. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wait, help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21. Oh yeah, 21. 21. Wait, 20. Tingnan ko. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 yung andito. Tutulungan ko kami ni Mami magpaka pa. Hindi lahat i-gaganin.
One
End ko muna
green,
yung
one
video.
blue. Teka lang.
See you for part 2.